Business Math Worksheet Day 1, I've just kind of divided up the sections into things that are alike that go together. This one is Mathematics Foundations, doing the stuff on whole numbers. If you look at the front on the syllabus, it will have how each day is divided up. Sometimes there are maybe 5 or 6 topics, sometimes there's only 1 or 2 because of the way the test or the homework generator works. So as we go through these, you can either just do one at a time and then go to your Alex pie chart and see if you have them, or you can do the whole worksheet and then go back to your Alex pie chart and see if you have any of those topics. First ones here, we're just identifying numbers and what places they're in. This comma here is a little confusing. It's the comma to separate the sentence from the number, so just kind of ignore that's there. But our numbers, ones, tens, hundreds. The first comma gets you to the thousands position, so thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. The second comma gets you to the millions, so millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. So I'm identifying the digit, first of all, in the millions position. So the millions would be after the second comma. The 4 is in there. 4 million would be a 4 with 6 zeros behind it. The number in the 10,000s position. So the first comma is our thousands. We want to be in the 10,000s, so the ones and then the tens. So the 3 is in the 10,000s position. And in the hundreds position, it's going to be before the comma, ones, tens, hundreds. And so the 6 is going to be in my hundreds position. And if you are not sure of the names of the positions, if you go to the Explain on the Alex pie chart, they will have notes. There'll be also ones that say Linda's notes that may or may not be uploaded yet. And so, but if you look at the Alex notes, it's going to tell you and have a chart with all of the names on there that you can use for reference if you need to. Second one here. Again, ignore this comma here. That's separating the number from the rest of the sentence. In my number 98,628,293, identify the digits in, first of all, the millions position. So the millions would be after the second comma. That's 98 million. The 8 is in the millions position. The number in the 10,000s position. So here again, we're at the thousands, so ones and tens. The 2 is in your 10,000s position, and then the number in the tens position. The tens position, ones, tens, so the 9 and the 93 there is in your tens position. Move the board up here. At any time, if I go too fast, you can always rewind and pause it on something so that if you don't have everything written down, you can go back or re-listen to it. In the number 435,729,738, identify the digits. And again, ignore that that comma on the end is there. It's a little misleading. Number in the millions position. So after the second comma, that 5. That stands for 435 million. 5 is in my millions position. In the 100,000s position, so here's my thousands, ones, tens, 100,000 would be the 700,000. And in the hundreds position, ones, tens, hundreds, again we have a 7. And so the 5 is in the millions, the 7's in the 100,000s, and there's also a 7 in the hundreds.